Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Redmi Mi 9 Lite, and in this video I am going to show you how to edit photos in Gallery app on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our gallery, and here we have to choose the photo that we want to edit, for example this one. Now we have to click this icon right here, and as you can see we start from beautify option that works like this. Here we can crop and rotate our photo like this. We can put on some filters here. As you can see, there is so many of them. We can adjust exposure, brightness, contrast, saturation, vignette, warmth, tint, highlights, fade, grain, sharpened and vignette. We have here option like sky. And as you can see, I can change the sky for our photo, but on our photo is no sky. Here we can erase something. We can put on some sneakers, we can doodle something on our photo with the pen. Here we can write something. I don't know, I'm gonna write hello. We can frame our photo like this, or we can just make mosaic like this. And that's our photo that we can now save. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!